3. Woo! Holy. Hey, what's up, everybody? So the truck saga continues. I am stopping to get a little Starbucks, but I am going to a place here in Brandon that does that has takeoffs, wheels and tire takeoffs, OEM, things like that. And I've gotten tires from them before that had like 50 miles on them for half the price for my wife's Tahoe. So they've got a couple sets of wheels there. Said that they'd take my wheels in on trade, and let's see what they can give me. Right, you know, let's see what they're worth and try to work this out, because new tires and mountain balance is gonna be like $1,200-1,300 bucks if I don't go cheap tires. So why not get some takeoffs for maybe $1,700-1,800 bucks, same wheels, and then get money for the ones I have. Seems like the cheaper route. New wheels. This is kind of what I do, wheeling and dealing, right? So let's see how that works out. We're on the way now, so I'll let you know. So I was thinking about this. I know. I was thinking about this. I might not have explained this correctly, or wanted to get a little more in depth of what my plan is here. So, one tire is bad. Okay, this is how I kind of wheel and deal and try to save money or not spend a ton of money. This is the old work truck, and I love her and want to take care of it, but I'm not trying to buy $4,000 in wheels. So I have the factory 22s, the black ones. I put new tires on them about 2 years ago. Now one of the tire is delaminating, and I need to get new tires, because guess what? They don't make these tires anymore. No one carries them. I just can't get one tire, and I will not just put some random tire with 3 different tires. I can't do that. It's not the right way to do things. So basically, I need 4 new tires. So I've scoured Facebook Marketplace looking for some takeoffs. Nothing. This was stitched together because of GPS. So I have, let's see, where were we? Okay, we were, I've got the 22s, so I need 1 tire. But since they don't make them, I have to get 4 new ones. Well, to get 4 new ones is gonna cost me probably right around $1,200-1,300 for some reputable brands, not some of these. I'm not buying some cheap Chinese Korean brand again, because obviously, look what's happening. These tires have 5,000 miles on them, and I'm replacing them. So what I like to do is I scoured Facebook Marketplace, looked for some new ones, or looked for some takeoffs that someone might have got some new wheels and tires, but they want crazy amounts of money for them. Tires are expensive right now. I did find some takeoffs, but the guy said you'll probably only get a year off of them. They're $300, but I'm not going to go spend $400 or $500 after mounting to only get about a year out of tires and have to go buy new ones. So there is a place here in Tampa called The Real Wheel Deal. They do a lot of wheels and tires on trucks and SUVs, and as you can hear, it doesn't explode. Oh my God, it's bad. Okay, here we go. We're gonna do 65 on the interstate because this wheel test tire is about to explode. Shaking like crazy. So, I gotta stop saying so. Anyhow, what we're gonna do, they get takeoffs because they do wheels and tires for trucks and SUVs and GMCs constantly, which is fantastic because I've dealt with them before and I've gotten awesome tires for my wife's Tahoe. Well, anyhow, they have some 22-inch takeoffs that we are going to try and see what we can do. They also will buy your wheels and tires, your OEMs, because they deal with that a lot, and let's see what they can give. Now, the goal, instead of spending $1,200-1,300 on tires, why not get new wheels and tires, some OEM wheels and tires for like $1,800, right? Either sell these to the dealer or keep these, put them on Facebook Marketplace, because the 3 tires are great. Some people don't mind, and try to sell these for $800 to $1,000. And now we've only spent $700-800 on wheels and tires that are OEM, that are new, that are going to look better than the ones that we have, because these are older. They're 14. These are 8 years old. So let's try and see what we can do. This is kind of what I do, is try to buy and sell, because why spend $3,500 on a new set of fuel wheels or whatnot, and spend a bunch of money when I can maybe buy, sell, trade, get the right deal, sell the tires, wheeling and dealing, and try to get the best deal I can for the truck. Why we are kind of needing a new tire. So I know it's a lot, but this is what I do. I don't know if it can help you. I do this all the time, and that's kind of how I make a little money here and there, selling wheels and tires, or get new tires for the same price as, you know, actually sometimes I get new tires for free because I can buy and sell old ones and get good ones. So this is what we're going to try and do. So I'm on the way there. Hopefully I can make it because the center console is shaking like crazy. I'm doing 65 on the interstate, which I absolutely hate doing, but it's only a short drive. But we'll get there soon, and let's see if we can wheel and deal. Ready for this? What are we doing? 62. Here we go. Oh, 70. Oh, holy crap, 73. Woo! Holy. All right, whoop, gotta put it in drive here. Hey, we are here. Real wheels. Let's see what we got. I mean, they always have good GMCs, trucks, stuff over here. I mean, they got a warehouse full of tires, full of wheels. I mean, you can see that's just full of wheels and tires. So, all right. We're here. See what we can figure out. I do not want to spend a lot of money, but I want it to be right. And making it right is what's best. Time to get my wheeling and dealing on. All right, so we are on the car. I mean, it's already night and day difference. Riding 10 times better. Wheels look good. They're not my first choice. I'm not like, oh my God, it looks so good. What did I, woo? But they look good. They look real good. They look good all black. I'll probably get black lug nuts for them down the road. I just don't want to spend a ton of money on the truck, really. That's for race car stuff. But they look good. They remind me of the, remember the 20-inch SLT wheels that had that multi-spoke? I always loved those wheels on my truck and wish they were bigger and black in color, and now I've got them on this truck. So I think they look pretty good. You know, I want to get them all cleaned up because obviously the tires are like brownish rubber, you know, the old, there they are, there's the old ones in the back. But I think they look good. But the ride is 100 times better already. Just want to get on the interstate and really feel the difference there, because obviously that's where it really went crazy, but you could feel it big time. Now that these alignment is tiny bit off, and I think that's just because that tire was hopping so hard that it probably knocked it out of alignment. That's kind of what I'm thinking. That's okay. But the ride is 300 times better, and I do feel better knowing that I've got OEM Bridgestones on there versus those Nankangs, you know, or buying a cheaper tire just to put stuff on here. I mean, that's the difference. So all in all, we spent $2,030 on these wheels and tires with the OEM tires, TPMS, all that good stuff in there. and it rides great. So now the goal is to probably sell the other ones for $1,100-$1,200, and now I've only paid $800 for some OEM, you know, good tires, and I've got new wheels that are under warranty by these guys. They warranty everything, which is wonderful. They're only 20-minute drive, and they always seem to take care of me. The guys there are real cool. And as you can see in the video, they have tons of wheels and tires. But let's get this thing on the interstate. That'll be the true test of whether or not we still got that Chevy shimmy. You know what I'm talking about? If you don't, you're lucky. So let's get on the interstate here and see how it rides. Okay, here we are. We're up to speed, folks. We're doing 75 miles per hour, and the wheels are smooth. Wheels and tires are smooth. Now, still got the Chevy shimmy at 75, 76, something like that. That's nothing that wheels and tires are gonna fix. That's Chevy's fault. Love you guys, but dang, you messed up, man. 14s and 15s got that Chevy shimmy, and I don't even know how you get rid of that bad boy. But nice and smooth though. I'm happy about this. They ride good. They ride real good. So we'll get it home, give you guys a better look at everything, a little close up, and yeah, I'm happy. The guys did a real good job. Yes. I know it sounds silly, but you got to do the walk-up test. As you're walking up, you're like, dang, look at my truck. I think it looks pretty good. Walk-up test approved. I wanted to show you guys this tire. Can you see? That's flat. Look at this thing. It won't even stand up, right? Like, that's okay. I don't know if you can tell, but look at that. This is sitting flat. Look at that. It's just humped over. Holy smokes. With all that tread left. Golly. That's insane. Holy smokes. Look. Can you see? See that, how that's up high? Look, it's just eating the sidewall. Let me see if I can get the real bad part. That looks okay. But then, look at the bubble. Holy smokes. You tell? Jeez. Well, say no to Nankang. All right, now that we're home, I say it looks pretty good. I'm digging it. I like the all black. I need to get black lug nuts. If we're gonna do something, we're gonna get that dent taken out. We're gonna fix the bumper, but it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. So what do y'all think? Think it looks good? I think we did all right. Now we're gonna sell these, now we gotta sell these OEMs. Look, I mean, tons of tread. This is what really irks me. Look at these things. They're like brand new. Boom, OEM. We're gonna get them all cleaned up. Get those on the old interwebs for sale. And I'm sure my hair looks crazy. Well, whatever. But thanks for joining along with me. Hit subscribe down below. Hit like. Hey, what do you think? Think I'm gonna top out? What do you think? We can sell these wheels quickly. I want to get your thoughts. What do you think of the new wheels? Pretty good deal. Making it happen thanks to Real Wheel. You guys rock. And thanks for joining on the fun. I'll see you on the next one. Brock, go fast.